everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to check in on my project pan, see how I'm doing. I think I might have skipped a month, I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and check in. I have a list of what I've been using, and I have used up some things. So the first thing on my list is my Becca primer, backlight primer. It's used up. I can throw that in my empties now, so I can mark that off my list. That has been used. Yay! Next, I have my my Trestique highlighter. Now, I have been using this. I have not been putting on makeup daily, but I have been putting it on. It's right below the bottom line on that cap. It is right below it, but not enough. Well, you can see I've got makeup where the side of it touched. That's where I'm at, but it would be hard to mark. So I'm getting there. Look, I am so close. I am so close. So that's where I am on this one. Next is my Clinique Blush. I have not used it. I have not used this sucker. Where's the, I don't know if that, yeah, that's all. That is all it. Yeah, it's in the same spot. It's in the same spot because I haven't used it. I really need to use it. I say that and then I don't pull for it. I might go ahead and declutter it here pretty soon if I don't use it soon. Next is my Tart Gel Eyeliner. Look at that. I'm doing good on that one. This will be used up this year, definitely. If it happens to not be used up, I will just trash it because I think I've done a really good job on that. It still works great. It's still creamy. So, good deal. Next is my Tarte color wheel. Let me show you. I have been focusing on one only. And you can see I have hit pan on that one. So I think I might switch up to this one now. Use this one through the summer. See if I can hit pan on it. Yeah. Get as much use of this as I can. So yeah, there we go. My Power Play foundation. I used it up. It's all gone. Yay. So I can mark this off. I love this foundation. I hate that it's gone, but I'm glad I was able to use it up and got my money's worth out of it. So that will go into my empties. Next, my Tarte Shape Tape in medium. I used it up. Let me tell you how I did. I used it as foundation because this is the perfect shade for my skin. So I wore it as foundation. So it's gone. I know now the medium is too dark as for a concealer for me, but yeah, I used it up. Yay. Okay, next I have my little sample of my Dior face primer. Look, I have been using that. I've got a few more uses in there, and I really like this primer. Of course I do. I really do. But look, you can see where the line was. The line was there. And now, look, I'm scraping down in there. I would recommend if you're looking for a primer, that's a great primer. Am I going to buy it? I haven't priced it, but it's more than I know I would want to spend on a primer. So no, I don't plan on buying it, but I can highly recommend it. It's a really nice primer. So yeah. Next, this Stellar primer. I've not used it at all. I'm using up the other ones, so it's the same where it was. When I use that other one up, then I will move to that one. And then last is my Tarte lipstick in Park Avenue Princess. Let me see if I can find my mark. No, I don't see a mark. Either I didn't mark it or it rubbed off, but yeah, that's where I'm at. I don't have a whole lot. I don't have a whole lot, but yeah. I use this as, like to use this over another lipstick. I rarely will wear something this nude alone because it just doesn't look right on my lips. And then I'm going to add something. I'm going to add this sample of this Makeup Forever HD foundation. The color is Y415. I'm not sure if that's my shade or not, but you can see how much is used. I'll draw a line in there, but this I'm adding. I'm going to add it to my list now. And I just really didn't think of anything else to add because we're taking 3 things out and just adding 1 in. I'm sure I might find something else later and we will add it in later, but that's where I'm at. So I have actively going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 products. That's good. That's good. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.